Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can hide the subscribers for a particular YouTube channel. For example, if the YouTube creator don't want to show subscribers, we can actually hide them. And actually we can do this on the desktop computer or laptop, but I'm showing right away from mobile as many comments I receive like to show on mobile. So once again I'm saying this process is same on desktop also. Open your Chrome browser on your mobile, and the first thing you need to do is click on these three dots here and check mark this desktop site. So you are viewing Chrome in now in desktop mode. So now browse through youtube.com. Okay, once you browse through youtube.com, so click on the profile picture at right top corner here exactly. So if you see something like sign in here, you need to sign in with the Gmail account which you have your YouTube channel. So I already signed in here. Tap on that, you'll see your channel option. Okay, click on that. So yeah, here customize channel, click on customize channel, and at bottom see here you will see settings gear icon. You can click on this settings gear icon at bottom, and here under general you'll see something like channel. Click on channel, and under advanced settings just uncheck this and click on save here. See here under channel, under advanced settings, under subscriber count, by default this will be enabled. You need to disable this and click on save. Yes, that's it. This is how we can hide the subscriber count to show up on for everyone. So we are disabling that, so from now on your subscriber list won't be shown to the users. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.